Hey everybody, this is Tom with EcoWorks. We're out here in Rancho Santa Margarita at the McCann residence. I want to walk you through the project today and show you what we did out here. In this area, this is the hangout fire pit area. So we use these stone pavers from Silver Creek Stoneworks out of Minnesota. They're some of the most realistic wood planks that we've ever seen in a paver version. The idea up here was a wood deck originally, and the homeowner wanted to spread the expense and the maintenance of a wood deck, so we went with these. Came out amazing. On the fire pit, we went with the wood theme again. This is Eldorado stone on the wood plank veneer. And then we did poured-in-place concrete polished countertops for that with lava rock insert there. Our band around this is a 15 by 15 paver from Angelus. Under the caps there we did some lighting, and that is from Alliance. We built this waterfall over here as well. The front of this thing lights up as well with fire, and we'll show that at night when it gets a little darker. Again, poured in place wall caps, Eldorado stone veneer on everything. The barbecue here, did a big nice barbecue island again with the Eldorado wood plank veneer. All Bull products on the barbecue, all the doors and drawers, pull out trash container, and the fridge already filled with beers. Polished concrete countertops again on this one, came out amazing. And we did some lighting on the other side as well. This little shelf here will be for a big green egg. We got the plug-in if we need anything for crock pots or anything like that. Steve and Nina also have 2 large dogs in the family, and we wanted to take into consideration a spot for them to go do their business. So we did SGS Meridian 70 on this job. Looking for a landscape remodel like this, give us a call or visit us online for a free estimate and design. Thank you for watching.